Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you one of the cheapest and a good quality Wi-Fi adapter that support monitor and package injection and works well with Kali Linux. In this box you will get a driver installation disk, but for Kali Linux you don't need that. It directly supports adapter, and I bought it from Amazon and it cost me around 289 rupees, which is $4. As you can see, this adapter supports monitor mode and it has actually better reception than many inbuilt Wi-Fi adapters. I also have an Adiros Wi-Fi adapter, and in my opinion I didn't find any major difference between both of them, and both works pretty well doing their job. But I'm not sure if this adapter can support AP mode, even though it is written that it can function as an AP to share Wi-Fi password with multiple devices. Anyway, MRP on the box is about 1000 rupees. I will also put a link to this in the description box below. You can check them out. If you have any questions about this, you can post them in the comment section right below and I will try to answer them. If you like this video, consider subscribing to this channel.